Hello everyone. I get so freaking nervous doing videos just like this, like talking to you guys, but welcome to my channel. My name is Antigua from Tuts, and I am here to talk to you guys about my channel. Actually, this is a makeup channel. I do focus on eye looks and I guess like skin looks, foundation and all that stuff, and my videos are geared towards beginner level makeup. I do try to use minimal brushes and like minimal palettes and stuff like that just to make it easier on you guys. If you guys would like to continue watching my videos, see what this is about, please feel free. Check out my playlists. I do have, I believe, a holiday playlist, makeup challenge playlist, and something else which I cannot remember at the moment, but you guys will see once you click that. And if you guys do continue to watch my videos and like them, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank you guys so much for watching and stopping by. Toodles!